Using Apple Pay on the NYC subway is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The primary method for paying subway fares in NYC was through the MetroCard. You could purchase a MetroCard at vending machines, subway station booths, or authorized vendors and then swipe the card at the turnstile to gain entry. Transportation Authority or MTA started rolling out the Omni system, which allows contactless payment with credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payment methods like Apple Pay. Now, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, add your credit or debit cards to Apple Pay. Look for Omni card readers at subway turnstiles. These readers should have contactless payment symbols. Hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the Omni card reader. Follow any on-screen prompts to authenticate the payment using Touch ID, Face ID, or your device passcode. Once the payment is successful, you should be able to enter the subway station.